Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Today I have very interesting clips. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
What is it? What kind of animal?
It's a moose.
A moose. One moose, many meese.
Or a deer.
Can you speak Vietnamese? Not really. I can say some foods like pho or bun boe, but I can't like speak Vietnamese. But I can say some food. She was gonna buy 2 tickets. I think she pulled out a knife. She pulled out a knife. I've been running. She must like train her cardio every. Wait, she's actually got a knife. Jesus, help!
Oh!
Raymond, help!
You have to kill her!
I can't. I'm defenseless. I don't have any weapons. I probably shouldn't have yelled that out.
Fists. Use your fists.
She's got a knife. She's gonna kill me. I shouldn't have yelled that out. Now she knows I'm defenseless. Look, Raymond.
Ask her why she's trying to stop.
Where are your friends? What do you mean ask her?
If she kills you, she's dead. Tell her.
No, I'm pretty sure if she kills me, I'll be dead.
No, tell her.
She's still chasing me. She does cardio every day or something.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Jesus.
Where are you?
Help,
Where are you?
Help! I don't know. I can't. How hard was it to get on the no pixel server? Well, it was pretty hard. Hold on, let me. Did my chair move up or something? Ah, whatever. Okay. I don't know. Did I fix it? I don't think I even fixed it. Either way, here we go. Guys, I think this is my stop.
We're fine.
Drop me in the water.
No.
Drop me in the water. Drive over the water. Fly over the water. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I saw Ken. Ken, are you okay?
Listen, I made sure that the guy would keep his dongle on the way out with my private insider cup.
Should we get one of these bikes? Do we still need those?
Yeah, but yeah.
No,
So you gonna let me use it on the way out?
I helped a man stab a cop
you know
on
what you
wanted.
should learn how to do?
Of course. I mean, and you guys are
What?
part of the job if I get it.
Bro, I know what he should be doing,
Okay.
Dundee.
Okay.
What?
Who?
He should be chopping cars in the morning,
Randy?
Bro.
No,
Text me, please.
never met him. You crime?
What the fuck?
Hold on.
Gunther,
Come here,
don't-
Come here, Yuno.
Okay, look, everybody asked that. It's normal.
Are you into crime?
A little bit. I was just gonna ask if you do that or not, because if you do, then...
Do you want to take down my number, Yuno?
No, I was just asking, like, you know, I'm always looking for... Alright, look, if you ever get a house to move stuff out of, I'm looking for a green dongle. I need a green dongle.
That
You ever
was my
find one of
nickname in
those
high
to get a
school.
house? Let me know.
That was my nickname in high school.
Green dongle? Why'd they call
That's
you
what they
that?
called me. I have no idea.
Okay, well, you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Let me know if you get one of those, or if you get a house to, help move.
Do you hang out around here pretty often?
Yeah, I'm here all the time. All the time.
All right. Should I send you a little text message if I get
Yeah,
the,
that'd be great. That'd be
hold
great.
on, let me what's your number, hun?
Oh, I just, Do you know
Oh,
how
I
to...
don't- Oh, is that a 415?
Yep. Alright, well, look, I got some stuff to do, but, I'll see you later. Have a nice nap.
All right.
Smooth. Wait, I already have Gunther's number, don't I?
All right. Well, this is the highest we're gonna get.
Yep. This is it, Raymond.
All
Last
right.
try.
Be careful of the G-forces. I might
Yep.
Hold on.
Nice knowing you all.
We're gonna make it, guys. We're gonna make it.
Oh,
Oh, Jesus.
He's fucking
Oh, Jesus. Keep going, Raymond. Keep going.
it doesn't let you do it.
Jesus, Raymond, keep going.
Do a backflip at least.
It doesn't let you do it.
Oh, Jesus, go straight down. Go straight down, Raymond, Jesus.
Oh my God.
That was
Oh
incredible.
my God.
Just so you know, the
Hey, we're
Jews are
fine.
even taller than they look like.
Jesus, Raymond. Raymond.
He's just making it easy.
Oh, God.
All about the theatrics.
Bail out, bail out.
No.
Don't bail out.
Don't bail out.
Hey, they swear over the cemetery.
Yeah, what do you think of my driving? I've gotten a lot better, haven't I?
No.
No?
You got into an accident 30 seconds into a drive.
Uh-huh.
You fucking destroyed the first car in 2 minutes. And now this
Oh,
car
yeah,
is
that's
almost
true.
totaled.
Now this car is built like a tank. This one's fine. I did destroy that first one though on accident. Thanks for the subs. Oh, I wasn't looking at the road. All right. I think it's. What?
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, we're good. Let's get those lockpicks, and then we got to go back to the apartments to drop them off. Oh, hello,
Alright, I
good
think
sir
you need
or
to fix
madam.
it.
Something's wrong with it. Wait. Oh. Oh, hello, sir. Is this your car?
How the fuck can you see me? I'm camouflage.
Sorry. I'll just take this car instead.
What? Uno. There's the key. Come on, let's go up the hill.
What? Oh, right. We're doing one last. Yeah, I got it. Don't worry.
This car
Could
suits
you,
you, man.
It does? What do you mean?
Yeah. It's called the Enos.
Oh, how does that suit me?
Because you're a penis.
What? Benji? You okay?
I could tell you. I'm gonna tell you what to do. No, no.
Oh, I did it!
There you go. You did it.
I did it! Oh man, I've been dreaming of that for days. Nice, that was so cool. Oh wait, hold on, let me get in the back. I want to do it in front of X when we meet up with him again.
you, man?
Hold on, I want to do it in front of X when we meet up with him. He's gonna be so impressed.
You know he doesn't do. We'll shoot you in the head.
Oh, but you'll survive, right? Like I can't.
No, I will kill you if you shoot me with that.
No, like I wouldn't do it on purpose. I just want to know
I will
if
kill you. If you shoot me by accident, I will kill you. All right?
I won't. I definitely won't.
I will kill you. I will get my entire gang to hunt you down every time you wake up.
It'll never happen, Benji. It'll never happen. Neko, thanks for the sub, and Belton Richie. Okay, I just want to know if there was friendly fires. Most Jesus, she's trying to kill me. She tried to kill me. What are you guys doing? Aren't you guys gangsters or something? Take her out. What are you? Jesus.
So innocent.
Oh my God, is that you, Raymond?
Yeah, that's me.
She tried to kill me. She's Jesus.
Hey,
Oh my God. Oh wait. Oh my God, you didn't have to.
I'm trying to stab my brother, bitch.
Oh my God, that's me. I don't think
Wait,
so.
X is the stunt driver?
X is the stunt driver. He's jumping over this tomorrow, 6 p.m. Pacific time.
We practiced it
a while ago.
Yeah. Well, what's your question?
Have you accounted for the aerodynamics of his nose?
I expect him to go to the hospital.
Okay,
I just fell off the
But listen, this is X, the greatest criminal mastermind of our generation. I think he can pull it off, even if. Oh God, it hurts so badly. What's your name, EMS lady? What's your name?
Please let her do
Oh God.
Sorry.
Oh God, help.
Heidi.
Heidi, I'm dying. I'm dying. It hurts really badly. The only thing that can make me feel better, is you healing me. And if you buy this ticket to the greatest event of a lifetime tomorrow at 6 p.m. casino, we're gonna be here. $500. The only thing that'll make me feel better is if you heal me and buy this ticket, Heidi. What do you think? The greatest event of our lifetime.
You should get a bonus, yeah?
Oh. So
Listen,
you gonna buy the ticket or?
On my mark in 3.
What the fuck?
Oh, I feel great. Wait, Heidi, you're a miracle worker, Heidi. The only other miracle you need is to buy this ticket.
You know, you're shameless. We're dying here. I can respect your tenacity, baby.
Oh, we tried. Look, at least he gave us a vouch for the.
Uno,
I have a really good idea. Uno.
Oh my God, she's got a hatchet.
Wait, listen, I have a good idea.
Is that standard?
How the fuck can we get down
Oh God.
Uno, would you like to hear my idea?
Yeah, sure. It's a little crowded. I wanted to.
Just go by the ladder there.
Ooh.
So when we get to the military boat, there's no way they can leave, right?
Go. Nice. What? Dundee? Can you? Oh, hey, sorry, I tripped.
Oh my, man, you went like 100 feet in the air.
Yeah, kind of did. Well, what's your name?
Oh my.
Yo, next time I'll tweet out. Yo, party up top, bring swimming suit, leave Karen behind.
Holy Jesus! Oh my God! Holy Jesus, she's getting destroyed. She's just getting destroyed.
Why? Because he has the blonde hair?
Oh man, hey, you're the guy who developed that app, right?
Look at me, man.
Guys.
My physique is over the top.
I mean,
That
it's
doesn't mean
okay.
hair.
Wait, excuse